Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. Just want to take a quick few minutes here to create a demo video just to kind of show you how to utilize this spreadsheet that I put together. It is pretty self-explanatory, but I thought I'd put something together for you anyhow. So once you've downloaded your copy of the Garage Gym Athlete 300 Challenge tracker, you'll be able to come in here, and once you first open it up, the very first tab is the heads-up display. This is just an overview of what's going on. So as you can see here, up at the top we do have the 300 challenge title. If you click on that, that will take you directly to the tab down below, or you can just go ahead and click on the tab within the worksheet. Over to the right, we do have today's date. Add that in there just kind of as a little reminder. This will update each day on its own automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. The three gauges going left to right, we have the total sessions for level 1. In the middle, we have the number of weeks where the combined duration of the workouts was greater than 300 minutes. And then to the right, we have calories greater than 300 per session. This is all defined and is documented within the webinar video that Jared posted recently within the Facebook group. Down below is also a link to the Daily Over Decades 300/200 challenge. This is the main page where you can go out and you can sign up to be part of the challenge. It has all the rules and what the rewards are. I'm not going to go into that because that was covered in the webinar and it's all documented out there. But right below that, though, we do have a couple of images here just to kind of serve as a reminder of what you're going for. So the 300 challenge, level 1, level 2, and level 3. And then the 200 challenge, level 1, level 2, level 3. To input your data, you're just going to click on the GGA 300 challenge tab down at the bottom. You'll notice here that the week numbers are already pre-populated, as well as the date. Don't make any changes to these two columns here. Doing so will throw off the rest of the calculations that are within here. But the week number is based off of the date. So under the workout type, this is just a drop-down list. You can choose which one you want on this one. If you don't like any of these ones that are already in here, just go over here to the Lists tab. And from here, you'll be able to modify column A. So under where it says workout type, you can add in any additional workouts that you want to in here. So swimming, rucking, biking, whatever you want to in here. When you do that, this will automatically update the list. So when you go back to that drop-down list, you'll see that workout listed there. For the duration, you're just going to enter in the minutes. So if you do 60 minutes, just type in 60. If you do 61 minutes and 29 seconds, just put in 61. Trying to keep it just simple on this part. Just makes it a little bit easier for doing the calculations. As you can see down here below, I've already kind of started to populate these cells. So you'll notice here that I have some duration here in minutes for my workouts, as well as some active calories. When you do this, this is going to start to update the columns over on the right. So under the week, so for this one, week 2, I just entered in those duration minutes. I am now up to 304. That value has changed. So it's an automatic thing. The conditional formatting for this will change the cell to green. So you can go in, if you choose it to do the 200, you can just go into the conditional formatting and change that on your own and just set a different color for the 200 if you'd like. Over in the next columns here, we have the sessions that are greater than 60 minutes. I chose that for myself. I want to do 60 minutes. And the traditional Garage Gym Athlete programming is 60 minutes for a workout anyhow. So putting that in here, as we go through, it will count the number of sessions where it is greater than 60 minutes. So as long as it is over 60, the number will change. And you'll see here, so we now have 5 workouts greater than 60 minutes, as well as my calories over 300 are now being calculated here. If I go back to the heads-up display, we'll notice here that the gauges have changed a little bit since the beginning. So I have 5 sessions total that have been documented. Number of weeks where my sessions have been greater than 300 minutes has changed to 1, and then my calories greater than 300 is up to 5. I hope you find this to be useful. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message in the group, and good luck to everybody.